Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, two functions you already know by name, min and max. They return the smallest and largest values in any set of numbers, but together with index and match, they get powerful. Three real examples coming up. First up, the simplest case, min with a range. We want the lowest HP across all 14 Pokémon, sitting in column F. Type equals min, open paren, F2 colon F15 close paren, hit enter. Min scans every number in that range and returns the smallest one. We get 30. That's tied between Horsey and Staryu, but min just returns the value, not the cell. Empty cells and text are ignored automatically, so messy data doesn't break it. Next, max, but with a structured table reference. Our data is in an Excel table called min_max_data. Type equals max, open paren, min_max_data, bracket speed, bracket close paren, hit enter. Max reads the entire speed column and returns the highest value, 150, which belongs to Alakazam. Table references stay accurate even if you add new rows. Now the real payoff. We don't just want the highest total stat, we want the Pokémon that owns it. Max gives us the number, but to find the name we wrap it inside index match. Type equals index, open paren, min_max_data, bracket name bracket. That's the column we want to return from, comma. Now match, open paren. The thing we're looking for is max of min_max_data, bracket total bracket. That returns the highest total, comma. The lookup array is the total column itself, comma. 0 for exact match. Close match paren, close index paren, hit enter. Max returns 600. Match finds 600 in row position 9, and index pulls the name at that position, Dragonite, the strongest Pokémon in our dataset. So that's min and max. Two of the simplest functions in Excel, but together with index and match, they punch way above their weight. Min finds your smallest value, max finds your largest, and both ignore text and blank cells, so they handle real-world data gracefully. Wrap them in lookups to get the row that owns the answer, not just the number. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your min and max formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.